You already know it's glueless, and again, there goes the baby hairs being lifted. They're gonna do it every time. Like, especially for a bob like this, I feel like baby hairs is definitely gonna give you, like, look at this. I don't usually even go this deep and this hard with baby hairs, but this. Hey guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. Now today we are back with one of their pre-everything units, guys, and this is a 13x4 bob style unit. So very cute, guys. I'm super excited about today's hair video. You guys know today's gonna be a same day install, so everything's gonna be done on camera for you guys, and we're gonna talk it through. This is very simple, guys. Pre-everything means it comes pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it also comes with these tapes on the side just to make sure that your ear tabs stay nice and flat. Now with this unit, it does come with adjustable hooks on this unit, and it also comes with an adjustable strap. So with the pre-everything units, guys, they're pretty much glueless, so you don't have to do any gluing to this unit whatsoever. So we're gonna go ahead and play with the edges, maybe do a little baby hair, whatever, but we're gonna keep it simple, middle part style bob. The texture is absolutely gorgeous on this unit. You guys can see, look at that. Buttery, silky, soft, honey. Very nice. So we're gonna keep it simple and still slay. You already know the cap construction is gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my tinting spray in the inner part just to match my skin tone, and we're gonna keep it pushing. You already know what it is. We're gonna pop this unit off and put this unit on. All right, y'all, so starting off, the wig looks really good. Looks nice and clean up here. You guys can't see anything. I did use a medium brown tinting spray, and I feel like the medium brown is good, but I feel like the dark brown was probably better. I don't know. I kind of felt like the dark brown was a little bit too dark, but y'all let me know. But I did use this tinting spray. I ended up making a mess, y'all. I'm so upset. Like, the canister just exploded. I'm pissed. It's like all over the wall. I gotta figure that out. But anyways, I did go ahead and put a little bit of powder on the tape ear, and I pulled the cover off the tape. So all you're gonna do is just basically like position it and put it down. Now obviously with the tape side, I was unable to put the spray on it just because the spray is oil. It's oil based, kind of a little oily base, and you don't want to mix it with the tape. It'll kind of not make it adhesive. It won't stick well. So what I'm gonna do on the sides right here is just do baby hairs, just because baby hairs will look better, like sideburn hairs right here, just to kind of like disguise some of the tape area. So I'll just pull some hair out and do like some fluffy baby hairs on the side. Other than that, the wig fits very good, guys. You're just gonna basically create like some nice fluffy baby hairs on this side just to kind of, you know, hide a little bit of the tape. If you don't want to use the tape, you don't have to use the tape, but I think the tape is nice just to keep the wig in place and so that your sideburns and don't kind of lift up and stuff like that. So I like the tape as an idea for these types of units. So what I'm gonna do is just pull this much hair out on both sides. I'm gonna do very like nice, like soft, wispy type of baby hairs, nothing too crazy. I'm not gonna go too crazy with this one. I might actually do a baby hair in the front right there as well too. So I'm gonna go ahead and just trim a little bit of hair off these sides. we're eating. All right, y'all, so I'm letting that little band marinate on the baby hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this unit out. So I think I'm gonna put the hot comb, the straightener through it a little bit. Let's go ahead and pop this off, and you go, oh wow. See, I'm telling you, the baby hair, oh my God. Yes, honey. Oh my God, I'm telling you, the baby hair is gonna do it. They're gonna do it every time. Like, especially for a bob like this, I feel like baby hairs is definitely gonna give you, like, look at this. I don't usually even go this deep and this hard with baby hairs, but this, look at that, guys. Look at how gorgeous this is. Do y'all see this? And that was effortless. Look at that. Beautiful. Like, come on. Very, very cute, y'all. Like, just perfect. And y'all already know it's cool, honey. Come on, look at this. Look at the baby hairs. I'm lifting the baby hairs up. I'm lifting the baby hairs up. I'm lifting the baby hairs up. And you go ahead and slide it right back down. And the baby hairs, like I said, because they're textured baby hairs, they will remain like that. Like, even by lifting it up, the baby hairs will stay in the same position in the same way. Look at that. They'll fall right into place because you already sprayed it with stuff, so they'll kind of just formulate and stay where they're at. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I do like a little bit of a thicker baby hair on like a bob unit. It just makes it, like, gives more character. Do y'all see that? I'm like really, like gushing over this. Love it. And the back of the unit kind of cuffed underneath, so I think I'm just gonna cuff the front underneath too, just to make it all go, you know, unison. I do really like this texture too. The texture is lovely. Lovely. Ooh, I'm hyped. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I ended up going in and adding like 2 bobby pins on each side just to do like a cute little hairstyle. I absolutely love this, guys. Very nice. Now, again, I always cap about I'm never doing baby hairs, but this looks really cute, guys. Very simple. And like I said, the baby hairs, I fixed them so that therefore they can be lifted and still remain the same. You just got to use a little bit of hard hairspray on there and just really make sure you put that band down. It'll keep the baby hairs in place and styled, but it's also easy for you to lift the wig up and still get that same placement of the baby hairs. You already know it's glueless, and again, there goes the baby hairs being lifted. Even with the tape, guys, I just popped my little earring out right here. Even with the tape, look at that. You can lift this one up and put it right back down. Like, are you kidding me? Look at that. Wig wear. Wig wear. Wig wear. Even on this side too as well, guys. Look at that. Look at that nice clean baby hair there. We did a nice swigger on the side here. Go ahead and lift that one up on both sides. Easy. Just because that tape is there, you lift it up, put it right back down, and there we go. Fresh, clean, back in position. Can't tell me nothing. Absolutely love this. Look at that little swing, and it goes right back into the position that we had it in originally. I absolutely love this, guys. The 13x4 pre-everything units are perfect. This one I showed you guys a little bit of styling with this one. I think the styling is very cute. Definitely something fun and ready for the spring and summertime. Obviously, you guys can see the lace is impeccable AF. Like, look, y'all, look at that right there. Like, are they serious with this? Look at that lace. They tweezed and pre-plucked this unit to the T, guys. The wig lays down very nice, effortless. I didn't do that much of this unit. All I did was just style it, and it's a simple style. That's it, guys. Got a little baby hair in it and kept it pushing. So very nice. Shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring today's video, guys. I believe all the links down below, guys, per usual, including a coupon code. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye. Nadula.